Daddy Show.
Are you ready for the 12 days of Christmas painting challenge? Come with me and let's count down together. Hello again. Today I want to show you how to make a really easy Christmas tree, and it's super fun too. Okay, here are my materials. I have my primary colors, yellow, red, blue, and black and white, my canvas or paper towel, my two brushes, a flat brush and a round brush, my pencil, and a cup with water. You will also need, look at the special guest we have today, a fork and a Q-tip. This should be fun. Let's get to drawing. First, I want you to make just a simple triangle right in the middle of the canvas. And this is going to be your Christmas tree. Make sure it's right in the middle. There you go. Just like that. And then you can make a little bit of the tree stump right here in the bottom. Make a square. It could be a square. If you have a lot of room, it could be more of a rectangle, but a square will do. Make sure that your triangle is right in the middle of the paper so the tree can be centered. And that's it. That's all we need to draw for now. So let's get to painting the background. So I'll get my big brush, get your big brush, and get some yellow. We're gonna start right in the middle. Put some yellow right in the middle, and I want you to start making like a circle and going out like this. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start making like a starburst. Start painting out from that triangle, from that center out. Go like this. Just keep bringing it out. Just like that. Looks like an explosion, right? So now we're gonna get some white and finish the ends with white and blend it into the yellow a little bit. Just gonna go all around with white, but still go in the same motion, like an explosion, like a starburst. Okay, just putting your strokes, moving around, going in a circle, but bringing your strokes always in. Just like that. As it goes down, the stroke goes up and down. As it goes up, it goes like that. Just keep following. Get a little bit of more white and go all the way to the edges with white. If the yellow starts drying, just get a little bit of yellow. But what we're making is like a glow. We're making the tree, when we paint it, look like it's glowing, just like that. You see? Looks just like it's glowing. Okay, I like it. It looks a little messy, but it's gonna turn out great. Put your brush to rest, and actually no, we're not gonna put the brush to rest now yet, because we have to make green. We need plenty of yellow and blue. So now I'm gonna go and pour me some yellow. I need more yellow and blue. So I'm gonna put it right here, yellow and blue. Mix it together. More yellow. Plenty of yellow and blue. As much as you can. And now, with your fork, I want you to kind of get some of that green that you just made. Now we're going to stamp the canvas. Look at this. You see that? This is how we're going to make our Christmas tree. So you can kind of pick up from a little bit, have your paint the fork with your brush, and that's a good way to transfer the paint. But you can also pick it up from the palette like this. I'm just gonna go all the way up. Follow that triangle that you see. Make sure that the top is, it's like a little peak. It's gonna be skinnier. You don't wanna go too wide. And keep going, getting wider as you go down. Follow the line of the triangle. It's like you're stamping. That's what you're doing. You're stamping the fork on the paper or canvas. I like to start with the sides like that, and then I'm going to start filling it in on the inside. Make it at an angle on the sides, and then in the middle you can go more like up and down. Nice. Are you having fun with this? I hope you are. I hope you're getting some nice stamps. So yeah, the brush can help place the paint on the fork. Or you can just pick it up here. Scraping some more. Try to fill it up as much as you can. Fill in as much as you can. Just stamp away. Stamp. As you get to the sides, make sure it's at an angle. You don't have to fill it completely in. You're gonna see some of the yellow, and that's totally fine. That's just fine. Okay, I think that's enough for me. I don't want to add too much more. The idea is there. My tree looks beautiful. Okay, now this has to dry a little bit. You can put the fork in the water if you want. I'm going to clean my brush. Clean it, and we're going to make the stump right under here. Get some black, and then with the brush, just make a little square. Just like that. Just like that. Now you can put your brush back in the water. And now we're going to get the small brush. Let's do the small brush first. And what I want to do is I want to make a nice star right on top. Make sure that the green is dry. Okay? So blow a little bit and wait just a minute. All right, it's mostly dry, still a little wet in some spots, but I can get started. Get the small brush that you have, right, the round brush, and we're gonna make a star right on top. And all we need to do for the star is a vertical line. Oh, see, the green is still a little wet. Vertical line, and then a horizontal line, and then an X going across. Just like that. And then right in the middle, I'm going to put a little yellow dot. Just like that. Now grab your Q-tip and dip it in the white. And these are going to be our Christmas lights. And I just want you to put them side by side in a little row going down. We're going to do a little zigzag. Get plenty of white and just stamp them. Just keep going side to side. They're right next to each other. Make sure you reload. Just like that. Yeah, there you go. Now for the ornaments, we're going to use our fingers. So let's have fun with it. I'm going to start with the red. I'm going to get red and a touch of white. And I'll have those two colors right on my finger, some red and some white. And then I'm going to dab. And when you dab, you're going to see some red and then some white. So the ornament already is going to have a little highlight. And then just to wrap it up, what we could do, we can paint some Christmas gifts under the tree, because nothing like presents under the tree. So just grab your wide brush, the flat brush, and just pick any color. And then with the shape of the brush, just give like just press the brush and it's gonna create most likely a square shape. And that can be a present. And then I'll make another one more like a rectangle. That could be another present. And then I'm gonna clean my brush and I'll get some blue and I'll make some blue presents as well. You go one way like this, go vertical, and then you go horizontal, and then you're gonna end up making a square. And then I'll do another one right here. Yeah, that's some presents. Got some presents under the tree. I'll probably add another one here. Maybe a different shape. There you go. And then to decorate it, I'll use my Q-tip and just dab it on top as if it's like a little bow or something. Just something cute. And those are my presents. And if you want to create make a line across, you can. Just like a lace around, something, a ribbon. And here it is. This is my very easy to make and so much fun Christmas tree with presents. I hope you had fun as much as I did. All right, bye-bye. See you again tomorrow. Every day brings us closer to Christmas Day and makes us better artists. I would love to see what you painted, so post it on my Facebook page @SpottyDotty Show. so I can see it and you can get a chance to win prizes. See you again tomorrow for another painting challenge.